I'm Paul Hardaker. I'm the Chief Executive of the Institute of Physics for the UK and Ireland. IOP is a charity which is all about delivering public benefit. Helping to develop other countries and their science programs is really important to us. So it's really aligned with the key benefits of what IOP is all about. I think it helps us all when we grow the global science community. A stronger international science community benefits everyone. I think events like this really are pivotal for a few reasons, really. First of all, you've got to share the enthusiasm. They get to meet scientists, practicing scientists that they probably never met before. They get to focus on real challenges, so they get to understand what science is all about, that it's tackling real-world problems. They experience the challenges of doing a scientific experiment, the problems and how you learn from your mistakes and practices. So all of that's key to this event. I think the community sense, though, that they get to meet others who share their enthusiasm is probably one of the strongest elements of events like this. So I do think these kind of events are pivotal because there's very few other ways that bring all of that together in one place. With programs like this, longevity is the key because you want continuity and you want people to be able to see our young people coming through these events and going on to jobs in science. So I think it's great that next year is the 10th year of the event. I hope it'll have many more decades to come. So keeping it going is really important. I think the next stage of development of looking at how we take it to regional competitions and have regional events that lead into this national finals, I think is really important because bringing it to all local schools is a natural development for the next stage of this if we're going to keep it going for decades to come. When you do things like this, you remember why you became a scientist in the first place because it takes you back to when you were their age doing the same kind of experiments in school and remembering why I'm so enthusiastic about science. So you see that in them and I just find it really uplifting and really energizing. So it's been great fun to talk to them. And their enthusiasm is just overwhelming. I'd just like to finish by saying a huge thank you to all the organisers who put this together because a huge amount of work goes behind the scenes and I think it's terrific what they achieve with relatively small resource in a small time scale to bring all this together for these young people to have this experience. I think that's wonderful and having the chance to be a judge has been really a terrific experience. So I've enjoyed it hugely, but it's thanks to a lot of hard work from others to make it all happen.